Good morning children. In the last video, we had learned how to find the nth term of an AP. That is by using an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. And we had also solved the sums of the exercise 1.2. Now today we will continue with the same exercise 1.2, sixth question. Yes children? Sixth question. So what is sixth question? Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11852. So they have given the AP. The given AP is 11852 and so on. You have to check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP or no. Yes, you have to find out whether minus 150 is a term of this particular AP or no, you have to find out. Yes, so that 150 minus 150 we have to take it as nth term. Yes, we will take that as minus 150 as nth term and use an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d and find out whether this is a term of this AP or no. Yes, if it is a term, you have to find n. Yes, you will get n. Then you will understand that is 1 minus 150 is that term of the AP. So we will write first an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Understood? So now we don't know minus 150 is which term of this AP. Yes, that is first term, second term, or it is 20th term of the AP. That we have to find. Check whether minus 150 is a term of this particular AP or no. You have to find out whether it is a term or no. Yes. So take that as an as minus 150 is equals to a. What is a children down here? A is, you can write here a is 11. Then d also we want here. So d is nothing but a2 minus a1. That is 8 minus 11. That is nothing but minus 3. Yes, now substitute. A is 11 plus n we have to find. Using this n, we can tell whether it is a term or no. Into d. D is minus 3. It is into minus 150. Now you can take 11 on this side. So you will get minus 150 minus 11 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 3 it is. Okay. Now minus 150 minus 11 you get minus 161 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. Now minus 3 take on the other side. It will become divided by minus 161 divided by minus 3 is equals to n minus 1. So now you simplify this children, you will get 3 ones are 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9, 2 remains, 3 6s are 18. So approximately you get 53.6 is equals to n minus 1. If you simplify it further, 53.6 minus 1 if you bring it to LHS, you will get plus 1 is equals to n. That is n is equals to 54.6. Now what did you get here? N is equals to 54.6. That is 54.6th term is minus 150. Now is it possible? Can you get 1.5? We will get here first term, second term, third term, fourth term, 20th term, 30th term. Like this we can get. In whole numbers we can get the terms. It is not possible to get the terms in decimals, isn't it? You cannot get 2.5th term in this. This is second term. You cannot get in between this 2.5, 2.6. It is not possible. The number of terms in an AP can only be whole numbers. If you get a whole number in here, it will be a term of the AP. If you do not get a whole number, if you get an integer, decimal, or if you get a fraction, it cannot be a term of the AP. So we can write therefore minus 150 is not a term It's not a term of AP. Yes? Now let's move on to the next one. Seventh question. So seventh question of the exercise is find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Okay, so firstly what you have to find and what is given. You have to write that and then you can proceed. So 31st term of an AP they have given. 31st term means it is nothing but A31. Yes, 31st term of an AP whose 11th term. Sorry, you have to find the 31st term. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. You have to find 31st term. You have to find here, and given is 11th term is 38. That is A. 11 is 38, and the 16th term is 73. 16th term is 73. So this is given. 11th term, that is A11 is 38. 16th term, that is A16 is 73. You have to find the 31st term. Now to find, you have learned any term of the AP, you need the first term and the difference. If A and D are known, you can find any term of the AP. But here A is also not known, difference is also not known. First term is also not given, difference is also not given. So firstly we have to find the first term and the common difference. Then we can find the 31st term of the AP. Now so to find A and D, we have to use the given things. So to use the given things, A11. Now A11 we can write it as A plus 10D, isn't it? The 11th term of an AP is nothing but how do we get A plus 10D, one less than this 10D. Now A11 is already given, substitute 38. A11 is 38, A we have to find and even D we have to find. So when I had told you before also, when A and D both are not given and they are given any of the terms of the AP, you get two equations, solve it simultaneously and get the values of A and D. So same way you have to do it here. This will be the first equation. Second equation, A16. A16 can be written, A16 how we get 16th term? By A plus 15D. 16th term, A plus 15D. Substitute, A16 is given, 73. A we have to find and even D we have to find. This will be the second equation. Yes? Now subtract equation 1 and 2. A are like signs. So you have to subtract the equation. Subtract 2. Subtract 1 from 2. Yes, so write down 73 is equals to A plus 15D minus the first term 38 is equals to A plus 10D. Yes children, now to subtract this you have to change the sign first. Minus, minus and minus. Simplify. A and minus A will get cancelled. 73 minus 38. 73 minus 38 is 13 here 6. So you get 5 and 3. 35. And here 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10 is 5D. Yes children, you got 35 is equals to 5D. So D will be equal to 35 divided by 5. Yes, 5 on the other side. 35 divided by 5. So that is you get D is equals to 7. Yes. Now you got D. Now substitute the value of D in any one equation and get the value of A. Yes. So that is substitute D is equals to 7 in I will substitute in equation 1. That is 38 is equals to A plus 10D. 38 is equals to A plus 10 into 7. D is 7. Substitute in place of D 7. 38 is So you got A and you also got D. Now you can find the 31st term. So the 31st term of the AP will be 31st term of the AP. How to find the 31st term of the AP, children? 1 less than 31. A plus 30. B. 30. D. Yes. So you get A is nothing but minus 32 plus 30 into D. D is 7. So it is minus 32 plus 30 into 7 is 210. So 210 minus 32. 210 minus 32, what do you get? So you get 178. So the 31st term of the AP is 178. Understood, children? In this way, when you have to find any of the terms, when A and D both are not given, you have to frame the two equations by the given things and then find the value of A and D and then find the required term. Okay? Let's move to the next question. The 9th question. So, 8th one. 8th question is, an AP consists of 50 terms. An AP consists 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Here also you have to find the 29th term you have to find. That is A29 you have to find. So what is given here, children? Write that first. An AP consists of 50 terms. 50 terms is nothing but the value of n, number of terms. The number of terms in the AP is given as 50. An AP contains 50 terms, means n is 50. Of which third term is 12. Third term is nothing but A3. A3 is 12. And the last term is 106. Last term is nothing but AN. Yes? AN is 106. So using these given things, you have to find the 29th term of the AP. Yes? So again to find 29th term of the AP, you need the first term A and the common difference D. So to find that, use these things, frame the equations and get the value of A and D. So firstly let's take A3. How do you get A3, children? A3 is nothing but A plus 2D. A3 is given, substitute 12. A's we have to find 2. D also we have to find. Yes, so this is the first equation. Now to get the second equation, we have AN is equals to 106. AN is equals to 106. So we can use AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, because they are not given which term is 106. Yes, so take AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute. AN is equals to 106. A we have to find and n is also given. Substitute that. This 50 minus 1 into D. So 106 is equals to A plus 50 minus 1 is 49. So this is our second equation. Understood, children? Now subtract the two equations. A and A both are like signs, so you have to subtract the equations. So subtract 1 from 2. 106 is equals to A plus 49D minus 12 is equals to A plus 2D. Change the sign and subtract it. So A and minus A will get cancelled here. 106 minus 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. 10 minus 1 is 9. Yes, so 94 is equals to 49 minus 2 is 70. Yes, 94 is equals to 47D. So now you can find the value of D. So D will be is equals to 94 divided by 47 on the other side divided by 47. So now 47 ones are, 47 twos are. So D is equals to 2. We got D now. Substitute the value of D in any one of the equations. Substitute. D is equals to 2 in 1. Whichever is easier to simplify, you can substitute in that. So 12 is equals to A plus 2B is the first equation. I will substitute in that. 12 is equals to A plus 2 into 2. D value is 2. Substitute 2. 12 is equals to A plus 4. 2 to 4. So A will be is equals to 12 minus 4 on the other side. 12 minus 4. A is equals to A. Yes children. So you got D, you got A. Now you can find the 29th term. So 29th term will be A plus 29th term will be A plus 1 less than 29, that is 28D. Yes, so that is A is 8 plus 28 into D is 2. So 8 plus 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 5, 56. So 8 plus 56 is 64. So the 29th term is 64. Understood children? So you got the 29th term as 64. Now let's move to the next question. So the ninth question is, if the third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Understood? They have given third and ninth terms of an AP. So write the given things. Third term is given, that is A3. Third term is given as 4. And ninth term, that is A9. A9 is given as minus 8. You have to find which term of this AP is 0. Yes? So let's take that as An is equals to 0. You have to find which term of the AP is 0. Yes? That is you have to find N. Which term of the AP is 0. Okay? So before that we have to find A and B. Yes, then we can find which term of the AP is 0. So to find A and D, again we have to use these two equations, get the value of A and D, and then find which term is 0. Okay children? So A3 is nothing but A plus 2D. A3 is 4, A plus 2D, first equation. Second equation, A9. How can we get A9? 9 to the A plus 8D. Yes, A9 is given as minus 8. A plus 8D. Second question. Okay, now subtract. Subtract 1 from 2. Yes, so you get minus 8 is equals to A plus 8D and 4 is equals to A plus 2D. Change the sign. So A and minus 8 will get cancelled. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12 is equals to 8 minus 2 is 6D. Yes, so minus 12 is equals to 6D. So D will be equals to minus 12 divided by 6. That is minus 2. So D value we got it as minus 2. Yes. Now finding got A and D value. Now you have to find which term of the AP is 0. Yes? So let's find AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Which term of the AP is 0? So we have to take AN as 0. A is 8 plus N. This we have to find N. Which term is 0? Yes, so N value will give you which term of the AP is 0. So D is minus 2. So 0, 8 you can take on this side. 0 minus 8 is equals to N minus 1 into minus 2. So it is minus 8. Minus 2 if I take on the other side, it will be divided by minus 2 is equals to N minus 1. 2 ones are 2 fours are both side minus signs will get cancelled. 4 is equals to N minus 1. Minus 1 on this side. 4 plus 1 is equals to N. That is N is equals to 5. Yes children? So it means that fifth term of the AP is 0. Yes, we have to write therefore fifth term of AP is 0. Understood children? So this completes the question. Yes? So whenever they have asked you which term is 0, like that questions are there, means you have to find the value of N always. And to get N, here we need to find first A and D. And then substitute and get the N value. So that will give you which term of the AP is that particular value. Okay children? Let's move on to the next one. So 10th question is, the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. You have to find the common difference in this question. Yes, what is given? 17th term of an AP. 17th term is A17. 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term. Exceeds its 10th term means A17 is equal to exceeds its 10th term by 7. Exceeds its 10th term by 7. 10th term is A10. 17th term will exceed its 10th term by 7. So A10 plus 7. This is the equation you have to frame by reading the question. If you read the question carefully, you can frame the equation. Now you have to find the common difference. So where is D here? So to find out D, simplify A17 and A10. How to simplify? A17 can be written as A plus 16D. How will you get the 17th term? By A plus 16D standard form. 10th term, how do we get? A plus 9D and plus 7 as it is. Yes? Now simplify this equation to get the value of D. Now A and A on both the sides will get cancelled. So remaining is 16D, 9D you take a LHS, it will become minus 9D is equals to 7. Yes children, so 16 minus 9. What is 16 minus 9 is? 7D. 7D is equals to 7. So D will be is equals to 7 by 7. That is D is equals to 1. Understood? So framing the equation is important. Solving is very less, but this if you write it correctly, only then you can get the correct value. Okay, so read the question carefully, frame the equation, then you can get the required thing. Next one. Question is, which term of the AP 3, 15, 7, 27, 39? They have given the of this particular AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. Understood? So for this question, what we have to find first? Firstly, we have to find the 54th term. When we find the 54th term, 132 more. So we have, for the 54th term, we have to add 132. So what number we get after adding, that number is which term of this particular AP you have to find. Okay? So first let us find 54th term. So how to find the 54th term? AP is already given here. So you have the first term here, you can find the difference and you can get the 54th term. Yes, so let's write A is equals to 3, first term. D is nothing but A2 minus A1, that is 15 minus 3. How much? Minus 12. Yes, plus 12. 15 minus 3 is plus 12. Yes, now you can find the 54th term, that is A54. How to get A54? Standard form, A plus 1 less than 54, that is 53D. Yes, substitute form. A is 3 plus 53 into D is 12. Substitute 12. So 3 plus 53 into 12. 12 is 36. 12 5 is 60. 63. Yes, 636 plus 3 gives us 639. So this is 54th term. Yes, we got the 54th term. Now in the question they are given which term of the 132 more than its 54th term. 132 more than. So according to the question here, yes, which term is 132 more than its 54th term? So AN, we will take that number as a term as AN. So therefore AN will be equals to 132 plus 54th term. Yes, what is 54th term? 132 plus 639. 132 more than its 54th term. So what is 132 plus 639 children? Add it. It is 771. Yes, so which term is 771? You have to find. That is N. You have to find N. So to find that, now we have to substitute again. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Yes, so AN is nothing but 771. A is what, children? A is 3 plus N minus 1 into D. D is 12. Yes, simplify. 771 minus 3 is equals to N minus 1 into 12. So 771 minus 3 will give you 768. Right? 771 minus 3 gives you 768. N minus 1 into 12. Now 12 take on the other side. 768 divided by 12 is equals to N minus 1. So now if you simplify here, 12 6 is 72, 12 4 is 48. So 64 is equals to N minus 1. N is equals to 64 minus 1 on the other side plus 1. N is equals to 65 children. So it means that the 65th term of this particular AP is 132 more than its 54th term. What is 132 more than 54th term? It is 132 plus 54th term, that is 639, 771. The term is 771. So which term of this particular AP is 771? You have to find. So we substituted here, take that as AN, find the value of N. We got it as 65. So we have to write, therefore 65th term of the AP is 132 more than its 54th term. Understood, children? So this is the way you have to solve this. Yes. Now next, the 12th question. Now let's move on to the 12th question. So the 12th question of the exercise is, two APs have the same common difference. Two APs are there, their common difference is same. The difference between their 100th term is 100. The difference between their 100th term, two APs are there. They have not given the APs. Now for example, let us consider the two APs where the difference are same of both the APs. For example, you can take any example. Okay, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8 is 180. First AP. Yes, having the same common difference. Two APs are there. The common difference of both the APs are same is given in the question. So let us take the second AP also as difference should be same. What is the difference here? 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. So difference is 2. So for next AP what I write, that also difference should be same. So I will take it as, for example, you can take anything. And so on. This is my second AP. Numbers can be anything, but the difference should be same. So let's take that as x, because we don't know, we have to find this. The difference between the 1000 term we have to find. So let's take that as x. Now what is 3000? How do we get the 1000th term? A plus 999d. 1 less than 1000, that is 9990, minus t dash 1000, a dash plus 999d is equals to x. Again same here, plus 999d minus 999d. If you multiply, you will get minus here, so it will get cancelled. What remains now? A minus a dash is equals to x. But we know that here a minus a dash is 100. Yes, but we know that a minus a dash is equals to 100. Therefore, x is also equals to 100. So the difference between their 1000th term is 100. Yes, children. So the difference between their 1000th term is also 100. So as we had seen in the example, so if two APs are there with the same common difference, then the difference between any of their terms will always be same. Okay. So now let's move on to the 13th question. So the 13th question of the exercise is, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So you have to write all the multiples of 7. So how many like that 3-digit numbers you will get, which are divisible by 7? So multiples of 7 will be divisible by 7. So write all the 3-digit multiples of 7. Now writing all and counting is very difficult. So now here we have to apply the knowledge of arithmetic progression. Yes. So write down first 2-3 terms and the last term which are divisible by 7. 3-digit number. So what is the first 3-digit number divisible by 7? Yes. So the numbers divisible by 7 are, yes, what is the first number, children? Yes. After 100 is the first 3-digit number. So after 100, which is the first number divisible by 7, it is 105. 105. So if you get the first term, you can write the next by adding plus 7, 112. Add plus 7, you will get 119. And so on till where? Which is the last 3-digit number, children? The last 3-digit number is 999. So before 999, which is the number which is divisible by 7? It is 994. Yes, 994 is the last 3-digit number divisible by 7. So whichever number it may be 7, it may be 6, it may be 10, it may be 13. Whatever number is there, you have to write the first 2 digits, 2 numbers and the last number. And using AP knowledge, you can find how many numbers are divisible by 7. Instead of writing all this in between, it is difficult and counting. Yes, but by the an is equals to a plus n minus 1d, we can find it easily. Now we know the first term. What is the first term? 105. What is the difference? Difference is nothing but 7. Every time you are adding 7 to get the multiple of 7, or 112 minus 105, you get 7. And what is this 994? 994 is the last term. That is an 994. What do you have to find? How many numbers are divisible by 7? That is, you have to find n value. So write n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into Yes, we get 889 and minus 1 into 7. Now 7 take on the other side. 889 divided by 7 is equals to n minus 1. So if you simplify this, you get 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 sevens are 49. So you get 127 is equals to n minus 1. Now minus 1 take on the other side. 127 plus 1 is equals to n. That is n is equals to 128. Yes, so how many number of terms are there between 105 to 994? There are 128 terms. That is 128 numbers are divisible by 7. Understood, children? So write, therefore 128 three-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Understood, children? So this completes the 13th question. Yes? So the remaining sums of this exercise will be continued in the next